Did you know these 5 simple daily exercises can help rebuild leg strength, improve stability, and support your knees without putting extra stress on your joints? Do these daily, and you may start feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident within days. The 5th one is the most important. Skip it, and your lower body strength may continue declining without you even realizing it. Number 1, marching in place. Many people think weak legs are caused by aging, but often it's simply because the muscles aren't being used enough. Marching in place helps wake up your hips, thighs, and core while improving circulation. Here's how to do it. Stand tall and slowly lift one knee, then the other. Swing your arms naturally as you move. Continue for 45 seconds. You'll feel your legs becoming more active and energized, helping prepare your body for stronger movement throughout the day. Number 2, horse stance hold. Most people avoid isometric holds because they look too simple, but this single position builds the kind of strength that keeps people mobile for decades. The horse stance strengthens your thighs, hips, glutes, and stabilizing muscles all at the same time. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Turn your toes slightly outward. Lower your hips into a comfortable squat position and hold. Start with 20 to 30 seconds. Your legs may shake. That's exactly how you rebuild the foundation that keeps you walking, climbing stairs, and staying independent. Number 3, seated knee extensions. One of the first muscles to weaken after 50 is the front of the thigh. When this muscle loses strength, your knees are forced to handle more stress than they should. Sit tall in a chair. Slowly straighten one leg until it's extended in front of you. Pause briefly, then lower it with control. Do 10 to 12 reps per leg. You'll feel your thighs working again, helping provide the support your knees need every time you stand or walk. Number 4, glute bridge. Most people focus on their knees, but the real problem often starts higher up. Weak glutes force your knees to compensate during everyday activities. The glute bridge switches those muscles back on. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips while squeezing your glutes. Pause for 2 seconds before lowering. Do 12 to 15 reps. You'll feel the back of your hips activating, helping reduce unnecessary pressure on your knees. Number 5, heel-to-toe rocking. Weak ankles can make your entire lower body feel unstable, and when stability disappears, your knees have to work much harder. Stand near a chair or wall for support. Slowly rise onto your toes, then rock back onto your heels. Repeat for 30 to 45 seconds. You'll feel your lower legs becoming more responsive, improving balance, and making every step feel more secure. Now, here's how to combine these exercises into a simple daily routine. Start with marching in place for 45 seconds. Then perform 10 to 12 seated knee extensions per leg. Follow with 12 to 15 glute bridges. Continue with heel-to-toe rocking for 45 seconds. And finish with a 20 to 30 second horse stance hold. Do this daily, and you'll begin rebuilding the strength, stability, and confidence your legs need to keep moving well for years to come. If you want stronger legs, better balance, and easier movement after 50, watch this next video. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.